I'll be your lover tonight. This is what I want to do.
My destiny.
Whoa, whoa. All I want to be you. Boom, 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 boom. I want you in my room.
Get closer, because I can't, like, fit you both in there. What are you doing, Alyssa? You're, like, humping people, like, random ghosts. You're humping Vast right now, you know that, right? Like, Vast, bitch. Come on, Vast, yeah, suck it, bitch. I'll party so I'm going to... Go on home a second.
Whoa. Hold on, I'll change the song.
What the fuck did he just write to me? Fucking bitch.
This is what I want to do. Well, Monica, you recording this?
Yeah, I am. Okay, somebody explain to me what this kid just wrote. He wrote, so am going home.
Change your mind like a girl. Change your clothes.
Yeah, you PMS like a bitch. I would know. That's you. Always think, always speak correctly. Yo, dudes, explain to me what this kid just... Never mind. Never fucking mind, dude.
You're black.
Fuck you. Fuck you. I want to make Alyssa fall on her face again. That would be funny. I'm being beaten. Don't fucking touch me, Kayla. SpongeBob just attacked your ass. Keep dancing, you hoes. Love you, Alyssa.
I'm not a hoe.
Yes, I will. Just kidding. Sure, you're not. Little tramp. I heard what you did to Alyssa last night.
To what?
I called Kayla a hoe, and I was like, because she was like, no, I ain't no hoe. Stop shaking your non-ass. Alyssa, that's a side of you I've never seen before. I never wanted to see. Just
Hop off.
oh yeah, work it.
Guys, who likes my mommy sweatpants? Don't they fit awesome? Hold on.
Oh yeah, let's work it.
No, keep it up. You're black and you're white.
Fuck you. Yes, I am black, bitch. Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna stop this video now and let's...
No. What song is this?
Why? Romeo? Honestly? Elsa?
Oh.
No, I get pissed every single time I hear that name now. I wanna go fucking... You're pute!
Cállate la boca.
I crave.
Stole my clip. How?
It's sick, so...
Come on, Kayla, dance. The fuck you party.
I'll dance with you.
I'm white. I can't dance. Monica, I'll record them. Say. I can dance. Lola can dance.
I'm gonna stand right here as you do this. Keep going.
Lola, you getting this?
Continue.
Good. Keep it.
Continue.
Kayla's better in a way.
Stand right
Excuse
here.
me, little Aaron.